All right, I'm going to kind of roll lessons 1.3, 1.4, and 1.5 into like all one video because they kind of all lead into each other and it just makes probably one good big lesson. So the focus of these lessons are rate tables, okay? And what a rate table is I'm sure you've seen something like this. So I've kind of set up a rate table for, let's say, Bob. Okay, Bob got a job. He gets paid $5 for every hour he works. Okay, so well, let's kind of fill this in. Let's see how much money he makes. Okay, so he works 1 hour. How much money is he going to make? Okay, $5. Okay, he works 2 hours. How much money is he going to make? He's going to make $10. Okay, 3. Okay, well, I'm guessing you're figuring this out. 15, 4 hours, 20, and then last but not least, 5 hours. He's going to make $25. Okay, so basically, I've set up a rate table for comparing two things: the amount of time Bob spends working and the amount of money he gets. Okay, in your books, they're going to have you're going to see like these little things. Okay. And the same thing here. Okay. And what do you think they want there? Well, they just basically want the increase. Okay. Well, so what was the increase from 5 to 10? It went up $5. Okay. What was the increase from 10 to 15? Up $5. What was the increase from 15 to 20? Oh, look at that, also $5. What was the increase from 20 to 25? $5. Okay, and this leads us into another vocabulary word that we're going to be hearing, which is a constant rate. If you look, this consistently went up the same amount each time. That is a constant rate, okay? So say there was some weird situation where his boss was really nice to him one week and he earned $6 an hour that week, okay? That would kind of mess up this little system here. He'd still be happy and make a lot of money, but this would no longer be a constant rate. It would be, say that went from 20 and then went to 26, okay? No, that's still 5. It's this one's different, okay? No, now these numbers are no longer all the same, okay? It is no longer a constant rate, okay? So that is a vocabulary word that you're going to be seeing is they'll give you some tables and say, okay, is this a constant rate? So you need to look, okay, well, that's going up by 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Oh, yes, it's the same number each time. That is a constant rate. All right. Let's see what else they want you to do with this. Okay. They're going to give you scenarios. Keep losing my research. Oh, here it is. Okay. So say, and I made up one. Bob gets $5 an hour per hour. Okay. What is the rate scenario? So in that case, they're going to have first they'll ask you, is it a constant rate? He works $5. He gets $5 an hour. Is he always going to get the same amount per hour? Yes, that is a constant rate. Okay. What is the rate situation? Okay. So they're going to want you to write. What do they want you to write? Oh, yeah. Okay. So they've got like blank, blank, per blank. Okay. So in the case of Bob, I would write $5 per what? For what? What does he get $5 for? Per hour. Okay. Let's try some other examples. Let's say Mary gets her hair cut 2 inches every month. Okay, well, we could do the rate table here. So, month, inches. Okay. I know I should drop a little box around, shouldn't I? Okay, so rate table, first month, second month, third month, fourth month. Okay, so the first month, you're going to get 2 inches cut off. By the second month, she'll have 4, 6, 8, and so on. Okay, so first of all, is this constant? Okay, is she getting the same thing done every month, okay? And this is a running total. It's not like the second month she's getting like 4. By the second month, she's had a total of 4 inches cut off. By the third month, she's had a total number of 6. Then she wouldn't have any hair left if she gets 6 inches cut in that month. Okay, so is this a constant rate? Well, let's look. Well, it increases by 2, increases by 2, increases by 2. Oh, it's constant. Okay, so first thing, is this a constant rate? Yes, it is. Okay, now how would we write it? Who did I say it was? Mary? She gets, what, 2 inches cut every month? Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Oh, that's per. Per. So 2 inches per month. Okay? Now, there's a little bit of a clue, like in the vocabulary, of to see if it's a constant. Because it'll say every month, each month. You know, it's like, it's the same thing every month. Okay, if it was something like Bob earned $5 in May, $6 in July, $8 in I forgot June. You know, that sort of thing. Okay, well, first of all, is that a constant rate? Is he doing the same thing each time? No. Okay, so if it's not a constant rate, would I be able to write something like this? Because it's not the same per month. It's something different each month. So if that's the case, then I couldn't make this rate statement, okay? Because there is no constant rate. Let's see what else we got. Oh, unit rate. Okay, well, let's go back to our little rate table. The unit rate is, in any situation, basically a unit is 1. Okay, so the unit rate, let's go back to Bob and his job, where he made $5 per hour. Okay, so hour, and then money. Okay, so we had the 1, $5, 2, $10, 3, $15, 4, $20. Okay, unit rate. So when I talk about a unit, I am talking about one thing. Okay, so the unit rate can always be found if you have a rate table in this right here, where it says 1. The unit rate is $5 per 1 hour. Okay, 2 inches per month. Every cage holds 5 rabbits. Okay, that's the unit rate. 5 rabbits per 1 cage. Okay, that is the unit rate. Remember, unit is always going to be one thing. Okay, all right, I think that should prepare you for these couple of lessons in here. So good luck.